What's up, familia? I made 2 videos today, but so I am always asked about my eyebrows. I cannot live without eyebrows. I don't know how I managed to go through life without actually filling my eyebrows in. I didn't start filling my eyebrows in until I probably would say about 4 years ago. It is crazy to me when I look at old pictures on how different I look. My face looked bald, and look, I have all this hair. How is that even possible? I will say though, it took me some time to learn how to do eyebrows. I YouTubed it up, followed all the people that I love, watching their tutorials on how to do eyebrows. So helpful. I learned how to do my eyebrows with a pencil. I've learned how to do them with pomade. I still struggle with brow powder, but that's because it's not something that I have in my makeup collection. But that doesn't mean I'm not gonna conquer it. It's going to happen. But in this tutorial today, I am going to show you my easy, everyday eyebrows. Now this is nothing crazy. There's no glam factor to it. I'm just using a simple pencil and a brow gel. That's it. I'm not highlighting my brow bone or anything like that because I actually do that more so when I am going out, you know, parties, events, dinner with my man. So this is just gonna be easy steps. 2 items are required for it. And that's it. I hope you guys like this video and keep on watching. that's my brows. It's crazy, right? It's so crazy. You saw the before, you saw the after, and whew, I need my eyebrows. I put on eyebrows like almost the moment I wake up. If I'm going to the store, I have to have my eyebrows on. Can't go out in public without my eyebrows.
It's a part of me.
I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I plan on doing another brow tutorial, a little bit more intense, bold look. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, follow me on social media. Until next time, bye. What am I doing with my mouth? So sticky. Spit bubbles. Ah, somebody's calling me. Sorry. I think we got what we want.